Hello everyone, welcome back to another pregnancy symptoms / update video. So today you see me in my new fertile mom shirt. Ta-da! So my old fertile mom shirts became old, number one. Number two, I have expanded, so there was no way I could wear them again. And then the main reason why I have fertile mom shirt today is that my husband said he's tired of buying new clothes. That the clothes are blocking everywhere in his house, and every day I grow bigger, then they are not entering me again, and he's tired. So I should just look for something that will enter inside all the time, and it will not be boring to look at. So here we don't get tired of them. There are about 6 of them, so I'm sure you enjoy it, though there are only 2 colors, black and blue. So today we have for week 22 through 25. You know, we normally do 3 weeks. I couldn't do last week, so I just want you guys to have a baby bump. I don't just want to just say, hey, I couldn't do it, so there was no baby bump. No. So let's get into the video. So 22 weeks, day 1 and 2, I had serious vaginal itching. Serious vaginal itching. You know, this vaginal itching, I had it during Eliana's pregnancy. That's my 2nd pregnancy. This is my 3rd pregnancy if you are watching me for the first time. So my last pregnancy, I had it. So I started feeling it very bad, serious. I couldn't eat very well. Everything tasted so bad. I'm sure you guys are just tired of hearing that, but I have to tell you, because for some people, in short, if you are pregnant or you're planning to be pregnant, you need to hear this, because they appear every day, and then every day we have a new one that is adding to show you that it's normal for every pregnant woman. Some people's own is even worse. Some people don't experience it this bad. And then I was very tired for these 2 days. And then 22 weeks, day 3 and 4, my vaginal itching had increased. I had so many pimples, so much pimples at my back and then my chest. 22 weeks, 5 days and 6 days, I felt so much relief. I was thinking, oh, my symptoms have started going. Finally, I've gotten a relief in this pregnancy and blah blah. Then came the almighty 23 weeks. So our 23 weeks, day 1 to 3, on these 3 days straight, I woke up with serious nausea without vomiting. I would just feel the urge to throw up. I could not eat anything. I was so afraid if I eat, I will throw up, but I will not throw up. For me, the feeling of you want to throw up without throwing up is worse than throwing up. Because when you throw up, you feel better. But when you don't throw up, you can't eat, you can't drink water, you can't even lie down. You are just very uncomfortable. So for these 3 days straight, that was what I was feeling. I had so much cramp, as if I was having contractions. I had so much stomach pain. I thought I was having contractions. But once I sit down, you know, they call it Braxton Hicks, like your baby is practicing. And then when I sit down or take walks, they stop. And then when I lie down, they come back. So it was that bad, but they left eventually. I couldn't walk properly. My hips were so painful. If I stand up, I'll be walking as if it's somebody that is recovering from an accident, that is using crutches. And then 23 weeks, 4 days to 6 days, had difficulty in sleeping on my bed. That was when my difficulty in sleeping on my bed started. I will feel so much pain in my waist, in my hip, in my stomach. I couldn't sleep. Oh my goodness, I don't even know what to say about this. It's like there's something on my bed that is making me very uncomfortable. And then it makes me turn over till daybreak. And once it's daybreak, I'm so tired, I'm very sluggish throughout the day. That was the ending part of my 23 weeks. That was what happened. And then 24 weeks pregnant, day 1 and 2, I noticed I had very bad breath. My mouth was smelling me. I was so afraid. I didn't even tell anybody in my house. What kind of pregnancy is this? My mouth for 2 days straight was smelling so bad. I had very, very bad breath. Even my children, I was running away from this. I didn't want them to come. You know, children, they want to peg you, they want to, and they can't talk. My son will say, "Mommy, your mouth is smelling." So I was running away from everybody. I was like, God, this pregnancy symptom, I rebuke you, I reject you, I bind you, I cast you, and I hang you. My mouth cannot be smelling. I refuse this one. Oh my goodness. All the things I did for these 2 days to stop this mouth odor did not stop. But thank God I woke up at 24 weeks, day 3 through day 6. Bad breath had gone on its own. Even if I wake up, I don't brush, my mouth will not smell me again. I had the first ever constipation in my life, ever. I don't know whether I've had it before in the previous pregnancies, because these days I forget a lot. But I just hear people talk about constipation. I've never. I have very good bowel movement. Just like my husband. Hey, my husband. Oh, I'll tell you about my husband. I'll gist you guys about my husband another day. Let's just finish the video. There was no mouth odor again for 4 days straight. I was having constipation. What is this? I was eating fruit, watermelon, apples, bananas. I even made smoothies. There was no way. I could not even poo very well. I'll have pains. I'll just be walking about because I'm afraid to poo. And then I went for antenatal at 24 weeks, and baby was doing very, very well. They were so impressed with my blood count. I had 43%, and the doctor was so impressed. He said I had pregnancy-induced yeast infection. So, but they said they were not going to treat it now. That maybe when I get to 7 or 8 months, they'll see what they can do about it. But for now, no. And besides, the itching had reduced so much. So because I was doing seed bath, that's add warm water into my seed bath bowl and add salt and sit on it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Sometimes I do 3 times, sometimes I do twice, sometimes once, and it's so much relieved the itchy. And I'm very good now. To me, I would say it has gone, but I still do it at least once a day. So 25 weeks pregnant, day 1 and 2, I had serious palpitation, like I'm breathing, like I'm running. I had wild dreams. I had anxiety, maybe because of the palpitation. I was restless. 25 weeks, 3 days to 6 days. You know, I'm giving long days because in these 25 weeks, it's as if every day I used to experience the same symptoms. So there's no way I can group it that it happened on this day. It didn't happen. It happened throughout. So day 3 to day 6, I had teeth sensitivity. It's like my teeth want to pain me, but they don't want to pain me again. So it's coming and going, like on and off. I have vaginal aches. It's that my vagina is hurting. Like I'm hearing boom, 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 like when you have headaches. I'm wondering, why is this vaginal pain so early? Like in my previous pregnancies, it comes in my 3rd trimester. But this one, it came so early. And when it's happening, I'll be saying, Jesus, ow, ow. And then my son is like, Mommy, what? How can I tell a 4-year-old my vagina is hurting? I'll just tell him, Mommy's leg, it hurts. He said, Mommy, sorry. He's pressing my leg while my vagina is paining me. Oh my God, I'm so bad. It's only my husband that I can tell. Even he, sometimes I pity him because I feel he will be tired of hearing. Even the sorry self is tired of telling me. And then I noticed that my breast became so swollen and gorged as if I was breastfeeding. And then I was leaking milk. The more the milk comes out, the colostrum, that's the first milk, the more it comes out, the more engorged I was becoming. And then I was feeling pain. Right now, as I'm talking to you, I'm 25 weeks and 6 days. Tomorrow I will be 26 weeks. I still feel pain in my breast. It's like my nipples are so sensitive that even if my dress touch it, I feel so much pain. I have serious food aversions this week. I imagine a food, then I want to throw up. As I'm talking to you guys, I'm really hungry, but I can't eat. I just took malt. I didn't even finish it because I want to sleep, and I can't sleep on an empty stomach just because I don't want to. I can't even imagine any food in my life. Okay, I can imagine Dunamis rice. See, My pastor has a book. I don't know whether it's his wife, but they say cafe. Oh, in the church. Oh my goodness, there's anointing in that rice. Don't worry, I'll bring it here one day and I'll be eating it. Even see me say, you know, the rice is sweet. I think that one, I have a soft spot for it to some extent, so I can eat it now. But my husband didn't buy it too. I told him, he said it's too far. I should imagine another thing. He said every day we used to travel to Dunamis. Yesterday he told me I should imagine another thing. Oh, do not pray for my kind of husband, no, because they will force your pregnancy craving to go back. Now this baby can kick. Do you know, I was sleeping on the couch the other day. This baby kicked me. I thought Eliana had punched me. I woke up immediately. And I saw Eliana sitting and watching her television. I was like, what? Hey, okay. And then the last but not the least, I'm always out of breath. Breathlessness. I see somebody is pursuing me. So these 4 weeks have been amazing. So far, I think they are the best. With all these plenty things you've heard, they are the best. If you've not watched any of my pregnancy updates, please go back. That's why you know that these symptoms are the sweetest and the softest. They sure they are loving me. So I'm going to stand up now and show you my stomach. I have my maternity jeans here. You know, this maternity jeans, this is me in my fertile mom's shirt. Let me show you like this first. So this is my trouser. Don't mind it, it's pulling that has chopped it here. So you wear it like this so that you won't have anything hooking on your baby's head, because most of the times baby's head is here. Very few times people have breech babies. So here, and even you'll not be comfortable if you wear something that is tight here. So these are maternity trousers. They are very, very good for pregnant women. So this is me at 25 weeks and 6 days. So by tomorrow, I'll be 26 weeks pregnant. So this is my stomach. And let me show you the front. So if you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we do pregnancy updates. Anytime I'm pregnant, we talk about motherhood. We talk about women development. We talk about fertility tips, health tips, pregnancy tips, things that will help you during your pregnancy. And because I'm a fertility coach, I'm a health coach, I'm a vaginal steam facilitator. If you want to know more about what I do, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Follow me on Instagram at Fertile Moms. I'll link it down. And then you click the link in my bio, you send me a message on WhatsApp or send me a direct DM on Instagram, and we'll talk everything concerning fertility, ovulation, sex selection, all of that. But here we post randomly. Like this year, I'm back. I'm not going to say Monday, Tuesday. Anytime you see a video, you see a video. So thank you all, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.